Hi friends. Today we are going to learn English through story. Guess how much I love you. Once upon a time, in a vast meadow nestled beneath a wide, open sky, there lived two hares. One was a little hare, not much bigger than a handful of daisies, and the other was a big hare, wise and gentle, with long, soft ears. Every evening, as the golden sun began to dip below the horizon, they played a game together. They called it, Guess How Much I Love You. Little nut brown hare, with his tiny paws and twinkling eyes, would start, I love you as high as I can hop. And with all his might, he would leap into the air, his furry feet stretching toward the heavens. But big nut brown hare, who was much taller, would reach higher and say, well, I love you as high as I can hop. And, with a graceful jump, he'd touch the sky with his ears. Little nut brown hare would giggle, delighted by the game. He'd then declare, I love you as high as I can hop and as wide as I can stretch my arms. Big nut brown hare would spread his arms wide and reply, I love you as high as I can hop, and as wide as I can spread my arms, and as far as I can see with my eyes. This loving exchange continued as the sun sank lower and the meadow grew darker, but each time, little nut brown hare would find a more imaginative way to express his love. I love you as high as I can hop, as wide as I can spread my arms, as far as I can see with my eyes, and all the way to the moon. Big nut brown hare listened, his heart brimming with affection. He bent down and whispered softly into little nut brown hare's ear, I love you right up to the moon. And back. With that, little nut brown hare nestled in big nut brown hare's warm, furry embrace. As they gazed at the silver moon in the night sky, they knew that no matter how high or wide or far they imagined, their love would always be there, stretching even farther than the moon and back. And so, under the watchful eye of the moon, the two hares drifted into peaceful slumber, their love for each other as boundless as the starry sky above. Comment below from which country you are watching us. I hope you enjoyed today's story. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time everyone.